In the Middle European winter tyre segment, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 and the Falken EUROWINTER HS02 Pro face off. Let's dive into the key performance areas to see which tyre comes out on top. Throughout this comparison, you see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance, where quick stops and control are essential. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 stops 2.6 meters shorter in wet braking and completes wet handling lap 1.8 km faster. It also edges ahead in aquaplaning resistance, handling straight line slipping speeds 0.9 km per hour better, ensuring superior safety in wet conditions. Next, snow performance, critical for winter reliability. The Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 dominates here, stopping 2.1 meters shorter in snow braking and generating 13% more traction force during acceleration. It also completes the snow handling lap 3.7 km per hour faster, giving unmatched grip and confidence in the snow. On dry roads, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 continues to lead. It stops 1.8 meters shorter in dry braking and completes dry handling laps 1 km per hour faster, delivering sharper response and better control in milder conditions. Noise performance is next, where comfort makes a big difference. The Michelin registers 2 decibels quieter than the Falken, significantly reducing road noise for a smoother and more enjoyable ride. In rolling resistance, the Michelin also offers 6% lower rolling resistance, improving fuel efficiency over its lifespan, which adds to its overall value. Finally, mileage. The Michelin outlasts the Falken by nearly 30%, providing over 11,000 kilometers more tread life. In summary, the Michelin Pilot Alpin 5 outperforms the Falken EUROWINTER HS02 Pro across wet, snow, dry, and mileage. It's the go-to choice for Middle European winters, with safety, comfort, and longevity are your priorities.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.